In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time on Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Asana's time tracking, how to record your hours manually, and how to use the optional built-in timer if your plan includes it. Start by opening your Asana workspace and navigating to any task you want to track. Click the task to open the details panel on the right side. This is where most task-specific fields live. Scroll down until you see the time tracking section. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. On smaller screens, it can sit a bit lower in the panel. If time tracking still isn't visible, you can add it in a few clicks. Select Add Custom Field, search for time tracking, then enable it for the task or project. If you don't have permission to add fields, a project owner or admin on your team may need to enable it for you. Once time tracking is active, you'll see two fields, estimated time and actual time. Estimated time is great for planning. It helps you or your team understand how long a task should take before you begin. Actual time is where you record how long it really took. If you like to plan ahead, fill in estimated time before you start. If you prefer to log as you go, you can jump straight to actual time. To record time manually, click into the actual time field and enter the amount of time spent in minutes or hours. Use the format your team prefers. There's no special save button here. Asana updates automatically. As soon as you add or adjust the value, Asana logs that change to the task's history so your team can see when time was added and by whom. This audit trail is useful for transparency and reviews. If your Asana plan includes a clickable timer, you can track time hands-free. Open the task and click Start Timer when you begin work. Let it run while you're actively working on that task. When you're finished, click Stop. Asana will automatically write the elapsed time to the actual time field for you, keeping the history intact without any manual entry. As a tip, get in the habit of stopping the timer when you switch tasks so your logs stay accurate. That's all there is to it. Enable time tracking. If it's not already visible, use estimated time for planning, and log actual time either by typing in your hours or by using the built-in timer when available. Consistent time tracking helps you estimate better, manage workloads, and report progress with confidence.